Set. How to play. The object of the game is to have the highest score at the end of multiple rounds. Setup. Shuffle the deck and lay out 12 cards face up in a 4x3 grid so all players can see them. Each card has 4 features. Symbols. Each card has ovals, squiggles, or diamonds on it. Colors. The symbols are either red, green, or purple. Number. There are either 1, 2, or 3 symbols on each card. Shading. The symbols are either filled in, outlined, or striped. There is no turn order. All play is simultaneous. All players look at the face-up grid of cards looking for sets. A set consists of 3 cards in which each of the card features looked at one by one are the same on each card or are different on each card. All of the features must separately satisfy this rule. The shape must either be the same or different on all 3 cards. The color must either be the same or different on all 3 cards. The number must either be the same or different on all 3 cards. And the shading must either be the same or different on all 3 cards. When the player recognizes a set, they say set, and tap the 3 cards in the set. The other players verify that it is indeed a set, and the player that recognized it picks up the 3 cards and collects them. The dealer replaces the taken cards with new ones from the deck. When a player calls set, play is paused until that player picks up the cards. Then play resumes. If a player calls set and does not have one, they lose 1 point and play continues. If among the 12 cards all the players agree there is no set visible, then the dealer flips over 3 more cards face up. When a set is found, the 3 extra cards are not replaced until the total number of cards on the table is fewer than 12, or if there is no set visible. Play continues until the deck is depleted and no more sets can be made. Each player scores 1 point for each set they made. The cards are all gathered and the dealer then passes the deal to the left. The new dealer shuffles and lays out cards and another round is played. Continue playing until every player has been the dealer once. Then the game ends and the player with the most points wins.